Welcome to TTG Tidbits, a series where we cover quick tips and tricks to help improve your DIY digital marketing skills in 2 minutes or less. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to use uigradients.com in order to pick out some nice looking color gradients for your designs. All you have to do is come to the website, which again is uigradients.com, and by default it will load up a random color gradient. You also have the option to scroll through a bunch of gradients using the arrows on the left hand and right hand side of the screen, but you can also pick one from the drop down menu in the top left corner. I'm kind of looking for something that is light blue, so I'm going to go with this cool sky one. So I'm going to go ahead and select that, and it's going to give me a preview of what it looks like as well as the hex codes in the top center section of your screen. And what you can do is actually copy these just by clicking on the hex code, and you'll be able to actually paste them right into Photoshop, which I've already done in this case, but this is where you're going to want to go ahead and do that. If you're using Photoshop, that is. You can use these for any other design software you'd like. This is just the software that I generally use. So once you've gone ahead and pasted those color hex codes into your design software, you can then take your gradient tool and then drag it. And just like that, I have the cool summer light blue color gradient as my background for my design. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tidbits in the future. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below.